Hello, and welcome back. So far, we have created a Jenkins build pipeline which consists of two jobs. An upstream job, which is the package job, and a downstream job, which is deploying to stage job. Jenkins lets you build multi-step build pipelines and trigger the rebuild of a project if one of its dependencies are updated. Currently, we only have two jobs in this build pipeline, so it's very clear that how those two jobs are connected. However, in real-life scenarios, we might have dozens of build jobs or even hundreds, especially for some complicated Jenkins build pipelines. It would become more and more difficult for us to understand the pipeline as the number of build jobs increases. We need a good way to visualize the build pipeline to understand how those jobs are connected. This is where the Jenkins build pipeline plugin comes into handy. The build pipeline plugin offers a build pipeline view of upstream and downstream connected jobs that typically form a build pipeline. By configuring a new Jenkins view and choosing which job is the first job in the Jenkins pipeline, you can get a visualization of the whole build pipeline. Let's see how it works. We'll start by installing the build pipeline plugin. Just go to the Manage Plugin page. Search for Build Pipeline. The first entry is the Build Pipeline plugin we're looking for. Click Install without restart. I'm fast-forwarding the video until the installation is complete. Now the installation is done, and we're back at the Jenkins landing page. Now let's click the plus sign after the All tab to create a new view. View is a good way to organize your jobs. You could create a view with a subset of your Jenkins projects, which only includes Linux-specific projects. This helps you better organize your Jenkins jobs. We give the view a name. Let's call it Build Pipeline. Here, we check the Build Pipeline view. Click OK. The most important thing to configure in this screen is the initial job. This marks the starting point of your build pipeline. In our case, it is the package job. We leave other fields as default. Then we click OK to save the pipeline view. See, we got our build pipeline view. It visualizes our upstream package job and downstream deploy to staging job, and connects them with an arrow sign. We could refresh our pipeline by simply clicking the Run button. Let's give it a try. What's happening now is that Jenkins will start the initial job of this pipeline, which is the package job. See? The package job is in a yellow state, which indicates it's been built. The deploy to staging job is in a blue state, which indicates it's waiting to be built. After the package job is finished, it turns from yellow to green, which indicates the build is successful. If we refresh the page again, we can see the deploy job has also been completed. That's it for this lecture. I hope you have enjoyed it.